Hello guys, my name is Mira Makeba. For those who are new here, welcome. So guys, kindly subscribe. Let's hit 1000 subscribers guys, and like the video, comment down below guys, share the video, hit the notification bell guys. So guys, welcome again. Today I'm going to discuss whether men are they looking for loyalty or they are looking for love. So guys, as you can see, as on my side, I'm going to discuss whether men are looking for loyalty or they are looking for love. Love and loyalty are pretty important thing in those love circle. So guys, if your partner stays loyal, also means that person loves you, because where there is no love, it's like asking a question of, is there romance without love? So is there love without loyal? As to me, you can't be loyal without love, respect, integrity, honest, and fear. So guys, some people will tell you that some people will tell you that you can fall in love in and out, which is true, but loyalty, being loyal, lasts a lifetime. Ama wanasemanga it is a test of time. If someone choose to be loyal or disloyal for you, some people can choose to be loyal or not to be, can choose to be loyal or disloyal to you for their reason. They know themselves. Guys, if you can show some love, you can be honest, you can respect that person, and you have integrity, that shows that you are reaching being loyal. Some people express their loyalty through fear, yeah. Some people can express their loyalty they can be loyal to you because they fear you. They are fearing that you can do something to them, or they are fearing to lose you. But guess that can't last long, because there is no love. And which guys is wrong, because remember, you are just doing this, you are being loyal to this person because of fear, and which is very, very long, because you are going as in you are, I don't know how to express, is you are doing something which you are unwilling to do, guys, and it can't last long, believe me or not. Because if you love this person for real, you will be loyal, and if you are loyal, you truly love this person. So faking it won't help you at all. It won't help, at least at all. Guys, talking, I don't know whether people are looking for loyalty or love. I don't know unasimamia wapi. So guys, I'm saying this is wrong, because mimi nimesema hapo mwanzo when I was starting my video that love is in and out, but loyalty, it is a lifetime. It can last long. Even if, some people can be loyal to you and you can be friends. It's not a must to be lovers or you be partners. Yeah. Now you just find yourself falling in love with that person because that person has been truly, truly loyal to you. As for me, I am that type of a person who will love someone because of their loyalty and not love. I appreciate the loyalty in this world more than anything, guys. Once you be loyal to me, I will be loyal to you. I will respect you. I will honor you. But if you are disloyal to me, that's why you find most of the people are telling you that they love you, yeah, but they take you as a, I don't know what, yani wanakuona kama tu ni mtu, they are not loyal to you. That's why you find most of the people are cheating on you. Like for example, if you're married, some people are experiencing things. You are married, but your man is not loyal to you. You find your man having other ladies. Some people, they say that it is nature for a man to cheat, but I don't think so. Because if that person truly loves you, he will never cheat. He will focus on you and you will be his first priority. And that's what I believe to me. So guys, that was what I was saying. The person who is loyal to you, they should be loyal to their words, to their promises. Because guys, I think when this person was approaching you, there are promises he gave you, like, oh love, we will do this and this, and I want us to reach some extent, we do this and this. That person should be loyal to his words, should be loyal to his promises. And I believe also, I shall say that love is essential as well, yeah, because it becomes the foundation on which you can build your loyalty, you can build your respect, and the person who truly loves you by the 100%, that person will be loyal to you no matter what comes in front of him, no matter who you are. That person will be loyal to you. Being in a relationship can be wonderful, but if your partner is, but it will be more sweet when your partner is loyal to you. And that's what I can tell you, ladies. They can, as I was saying, guys, as ladies, as we love for real. We don't love to fake it. But you may find some to some extent, okay, nowadays men believe that we ladies, we need their car, we need their money, we need gifts, but that is not the case. We ladies, we need that man who has our time, that man who will respect us, the man who will put his effort to us, the man who has passion, and the man who is honesty. We need the man who is loyal. We need a man who will give us smile, who will make us to smile when in good times or when in bad times. We need a man who will choose us as their first priority and not their second priority, guys. Because if a man chooses us as a second priority, then you are just an object in front of him, and that's the truth. You are just an object in front of him. That person means that he is not loving you at all. Guys, that's what I was saying. That person will never love you. You know, sometimes in relationships you'll find, okay, nowadays people are killing each other because I don't know why. Guys, I usually say, if you find a man is not loyal to you and you feel that this love circle is going nowhere, just sit down, communicate with your partner, and if you're not going to communicate in good terms, you can pack your things and separate. It's not a must you kill each other. It's not a must you see that, oh, this man, I found him when I'm just that like this and like this, I'm going to do him this and this. Why are you going to revenge? Is, you know, my mom usually tells me that that person is not only the man in this world. That person is not the only man in this world. And I believe, if guys, for example, if you have a family and your man is cheating on you, I shall ask myself, why can't this man settle down, even if you have your differences, and focus on his kids and say, okay, right now, if right now I'm having problem with my wife, let me focus on my kids and stop chasing love. Because this thing, sometimes you can chase love and lose your family. So it's you to decide whether you want to lose your family, you want to stay loyal to your family, to your kids, because these kids, they are not kids. They will grow up and the image of what they have seen their dad doing or their mother doing, it will stick in their mind. And when they grow up, they will be like, okay, my dad was this and this, and my dad was this and this. Especially if you are raising a boy, you have to show the boy the way of loving a wife, the way of loving a lady. It's not showing the boy that all ladies, they are not worthy. Ladies are unworthy. They don't deserve anything. They don't deserve respect. Guys, when you are doing your shit, you have to focus on your family. You have to think twice. So guys, this is a kid who is growing. That kid has an image that my dad never respected my mom. So ladies, they are unworthy respect. This is my mom. She never respected my dad. So all ladies are like that. Guys, the image you create to your child is the image that kid will grow up with it. And that's why sometimes you may say that I blame myself for not raising my kids. No, you don't blame yourself. Just calm down, compose yourself, and teach your kid good ways. Teach your kid how to be loyal. Teach your kid how to treat people. Because guys, this affects, and then you start saying that, hi, my kid can't marry, my kid can't do what, my kid can't do what. Stop blaming the kid. Blame yourself for not raising a kid well. That's what I'm saying. For me, I will never love. That's why I was saying that I will never ever fall in love or love someone who sees me as a priority. No, who sees me as an ordinary lady, who sees me as an ordinary partner. So guys, are we looking for loyalty or love? For me, I believe love and loyalty should go at the same. They should go one at a hand. They are two things which must go together for me. So guys, I don't know what about your thoughts. Comment down below your thoughts down there. Comment your thoughts, guys. How people, whether men are looking for love or they are looking for loyalty, guys. I don't know. So guys, that's all I had for you today. Kindly don't forget to subscribe this channel. Comment down below your thoughts, guys. Like the video and share the video, guys. Bye bye. Love you.